Hi there. So there are several ways to access the advanced search features in the databases. However, what we're going to do is we're going to access it from the home page. Make sure that the Articles tab is selected and click Articles Advanced Search. And this is the screen that should come up. Continuing on from my video on basic searching, I'm going to continue using that research question, which is what are the health impacts of vaping on the human body? So I'm going to start off by typing in vape or vaping. And you'll notice once I start doing that, using these operators like or and, the database will actually give me suggestions on things to use. This is a good thing to take advantage of because this actually covers all of my bases. Let's say that an article talks about e-cigarettes but never once mentions the word vaping. If I had just searched for vaping, then that wouldn't come up. So this covers all my bases. And then let's continue by typing in health impact or health effects or health risk. Another suggestion. All right, let's see what we get. So I can see already that these search results are a lot more in keeping with what I was hoping for than what we did in the basic search. I'm going to click on this record to look at its search terms and look at its abstract just like I did in the basic search. Alright, the subject terms look good. This abstract is much less technical than the one that I looked at before. And in the conclusion, it says that aerosol from Juul and previous generation e-cigs impairs endothelial function in rats, comparable to impairment by cigarette smoke. Alright, so even if I don't know what endothelial means, and remember you can always look words up, impairs function definitely points to a health impact. So this article works for me. You can continue your searches like this, but if you're struggling to find good sources on your particular topic, or if you just want to up your research game a bit, you might want to try searching in specific databases. You can learn how to do that with our video on selecting specific databases. If you are ready to start saving your sources, see our video on saving sources and citations. Thank you for watching.